let's have a look at the solo now. And that then links into another verse. So I love playing this part. It sounds lovely. So we're on this shape here. So start like this, 5th fret on the top string, we're leading into our D chord. So play that, and then form a D sus4 shape. So, and hold that down and play strings 1 and 4, and then we arpeggiate strings 3, 2, then make it a regular D and play the top string. So, and then continuing we play 4, 3, 2, and then back up to the 5th. Play that. And then again. Okay, so you've gone. It's the same thing twice. And then the third time we play this 5th fret, it leads down to a C add 9. So nice. So you play the 5th fret and then down form your C add 9 shape. Okay, and play strings 1 and 5, followed by 3, 2, open 1, and then 5, 3, 2. So. And just like before, you repeat that. And then twice. And then the second time, I just go to a G. And all I do on a G is I play the top and the bottom string. And then I just arpeggiate a little bit. I might play strings 4, 3, 6, like. And then I change it slightly to what Slash played, and I play. Okay, so I'm 7th fret on the top with the bass, 3rd fret on the bottom, together, and then strings 3, 2, 5 on the top, followed by 6, 3, and then 3rd fret on the top, and then down to the 2nd. Okay, so that leads nicely to our D chord, bass. And that just links into our riff. We play the bass, and then you can do the riff twice, or sometimes I'll do the riff once, and then I'll just play strings 4, 2, 3, 4, or any other combination of, nicely arpeggiating the chord is going to work just fine. So here's the solo once more. That then goes straight into another verse, and the first part of it goes like this. So it's very similar to the first verse, it's just the melody is slightly different. So we're starting here again on this D shape, and play the top string with the bass note, and then the top string again, and then once more. So followed by bass, and then 3, 2 on the top string. So, and then bass with the 3rd fret on the top, then up to the 5th fret on the top, and then open top, followed by bass, and then 3rd fret on the 2nd. So all together. Like that. That goes to our C add 9. So bass with the top string 3rd fret, then top string again, bass, and then 3, 2 open on the top. So followed by bass, and then 2nd string 3rd fret, bass, and then second string, third fret once more. So that links onto a G chord, and really you're just dealing for the first part just with the top and the bottom string. So top string with the bottom, then the top, then together, and then the top. So and then together again, and then the second fret on the top, and back to the third fret, followed by bass, and then top. So okay, once more. And then, so holding down our D, start with a D sus4 shape and play strings 1 and 4, then to the second fret, then to the second string, back to the third fret on the top string, followed by bass, back to the top string, second fret, and then second string twice. Okay, and that just goes straight into once through on the riff. Okay, so the D there. We get to there, then play the third fret on the top string, and that leads into the second half of the verse. So safe place where ends a child. Okay, so we're back to this shape now. Top string with the fourth string together, and then top string twice, bass, and then 5, 3, 2 on the top. So, and then make it a sus4, third fret on the top with the bass, stretch up to the fifth, and then second string on the top with the bass, and then third on the second. Okay, so to our C add 9. So the bass of a C chord, third fret on the top together, then 2 on top, then the second string, and then third fret on top, followed by bass up to the 5th fret. Okay, and then third fret on the top and pull off together with the bass. So like that, and then second string. Bass. Okay, and then play this second string, third fret once more to a G chord. And that's what's going on there. So we're holding down our G like this, and we're playing the top and bottom string, then the top string twice on its own, and then together, and then the top. So, and then bass, and then on the top play 3, 2, 3. So, followed by bass, then second fret on the top, and then third fret on the top, and that leads to our D. So, and then we've got, on the D chord you play the bass, and then on a D chord play the first string, second string, and then third fret on the top, followed by bass. So up to the 5th fret, down to the 3rd fret, play that, and pull off, and as you do, play the 4th string open for your D chord. So like that, and then the second string, and then 2, pull off to open, 3rd on the top, and then back to the G string, and then second. So it's just the riff. Like that. So that's the whole of the second verse, or really the third and the fourth verse. So let's go back and I'll play that through for you nice and slow. And then we've got so it goes back into that, back into really the bridge. And that's exactly the same as before. But just to end it and to mix things up a bit, I play. And then. Okay, so here is quite tricky, but if you struggle with this, then just do it the way that we've done before, but just do it twice through. But here I'm playing 5th fret with the bass, then the 7th fret on the top, and then bass, then the 10th fret. Okay, so then up to the 12th fret. Okay, then we're going to play the 8th fret in the bass here. So then you've got the 10th fret on the top string, and play that twice. And then again, top string with the bottom, same frets, then the 12th fret on the second string, and then the 7th fret on the top. So it's really hard. Like that. And then 7th fret here. Play that on the top string, followed by bass for a D chord. And then you're going to play 10, 7, 5, all on the top string. So it's like that. Really hard, I know. And then we've got this lovely part here, really getting close to the end now. But that's the 3rd fret on the top, then the bass of a D chord, so 4th string, and then 2nd fret on the top, 3rd fret on the 2nd, 2nd fret on the 3rd string, pull off to open. So, and then we're going to play 4 on the 4th string, slide to 2, and then open. So, and then so this is the same as before, 5th fret on the top, down to the 3, bass, 2, 3, so, and then to our C chord, catch the 3rd fret on the top, and then the bass of a C chord, 2nd fret on the top string, then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, lift up and open up the 1st string, play that with the bass, and then 2nd fret on the top, and then again, and pull off to open, and at the same time as that open comes, play the 4th string, and then finally play the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and you're done. So it's like that, and you've completed it. So let me play that last bridge kind of / outro for you once more. part bit. And that's where I end it. So there you go. I really hope you've enjoyed learning how to play this intermediate level fingerstyle arrangement of Sweet Child of Mine.